More breaking news that's coming in right now. It's a Mega India Today exclusive. Sachin Pilot is to meet Sonia Gandhi ahead of the Rajasthan Cabinet reject. Pilot to meet Sonia, former Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan. Pilot will meet Sonia Gandhi at about 12 p.m. today. After Gehlot, now Pilot to meet top brass in Delhi. That's the latest piece of information that's coming in at the moment. Former Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Sachin Pilot, will meet Sonia Gandhi at 12 p.m. today. Now, this comes ahead of the cabinet rejig in Rajasthan. Remember, there was a round of face-off between Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and former Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot earlier. And at that time, Sachin Pilot was looking for avenues outside of the Congress. Then the Congress was able to convince Sachin Pilot to stay on within the Congress, but it appears that the troubles for the Congress party are far from over. Sachin Pilot will be meeting Sonia Gandhi at 12 p.m. today. He will, of course, be meeting crucially ahead of the rejig in the Rajasthan cabinet.
सर, क्या लग रहा है राजस्थान में लंबे समय से जो लंबित मंत्रिमंडल विस्तार है जल्द होगा?
देखिए, लगभग सवा साल पहले कांग्रेस अध्यक्षा ने कमेटी बनाई थी। राजस्थान में सत्ता, संगठन, तमाम जो मुद्दे थे उनको समझकर सही निर्णय लेने के लिए मुझे लगता है कमेटी अपना काम कर चुकी है और बहुत जल्द जैसा कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट चाहेंगे, जैसा कांग्रेस पार्टी नेतृत्व चाहेगा, उस प्रकार के निर्णय लिए जाएंगे। हमारा उद्देश्य यही है कि जो वर्कर है जिन्होंने पार्टी के लिए काम किया, जब वसुंधरा जी की सरकार थी तो बहुत उत्पीड़न हुआ था। उस समय जिन लोगों ने धरने दिए, पदयात्राएं करी, भूगड़ताल करी, लाठियां खाई, जेलों में गए, उन कार्यकर्ताओं का मान सम्मान होगा, तभी एक ऊर्जा पैदा होगी और तभी 22 महीने बाद चुनाव दोबारा हैं। तो हम चाहते हैं कि उनकी भागीदारी हो, मान सम्मान मिले और कार्यकर्ताओं को लगे कि सरकार में हम लोग मिलकर काम करें। ये उद्देश्य को लेकर मैंने मुद्दे उठाए थे। मुझे लगता है कि अच्छे परिणाम आएंगे और जैसा जो निर्णय कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष लेंगी, पार्टी लेगी, वो सबको स्वीकार होगा।
My colleague Supriya Bhardwaj is now joining me live from outside Sachin Pilot's home. Supriya, Sachin Pilot is to meet Sonia Gandhi at 12 p.m. today. What's likely to be on the agenda?
Following, according to sources, there will be three major issues which will be discussed in that meeting. We are hearing that first, Sachin Pilot will be talking about the preparation of the Congress party for 2023 assembly polls. At the same time, also, he will be discussing the cabinet reshuffle and the political appointments which are going to take place in coming days in Rajasthan. What is really interesting here is, Paulami, that the sources have told us that the Congress party has, in a way, rolled out its mission 2023, the assembly elections. Ever since the by-poll result is out, the Congress party is gearing up to ensure which areas need to be fixed and which areas need to be strengthened more. At the same time, also where all they have to, more people they have to bring in, where all they have to work. So everything will be taken into account when that meeting will take place. Similar chat happened between Ashok Gehlot, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, and the three General Secretaries, Priyanka Gandhi, K.C. Venugopal and Ajay Makkan, day before yesterday. And yesterday, when Mr. Gehlot met Sonia Gandhi, the same thing was discussed in that meeting also. This is what the sources are telling us. Also, what is very interesting is that Congress party is all set to implement one post, one person formula in the cabinet also. This is what the highly placed sources are informing, that three major ministers have come out and said, because they are holding key positions in the organization, the Congress party, whether it's in Rajasthan, whether it's Punjab or whether it's Gujarat, they want to step down and concentrate their energies on the work that has been given to them in the organization itself, because both the Punjab as well as Gujarat is very crucial for Congress party, and the AICC in charges in Punjab and Gujarat are from Rajasthan, Dr. Raghu Sharma and Harish Chaudhary. At the same time, also Mr. Govind Singh Dotasra is heading the Rajasthan Congress. He's the he's the education minister. So there also the murmurs are that he might step down because he has to concentrate. Okay. The entire thing that is working out, which Sachin Pilot has also said again and again, that now the Congress party has to focus on the upcoming assembly elections.
Absolutely. That is, of course, going to be a big concern for the Congress party. They cannot afford any more fresh trouble in any more state units. Supriya, thank you so much for bringing us those details.